We are under tropical storm watch warning, whatever it is. This hurricane is going to be hitting right beside us. So I'm down here at the pump, got it covered up. I'm gonna get some rocks to hold that down, but I'm gonna pull this pipe out of the water so it doesn't blow or float downstream. I'm gonna pull that all the way up, get that up here, away from the creek. Hope it's getting pretty high. You can see we've already got some trees down and blocking the creek there, so that's gonna help with it getting even higher. But normally I can step down on this rock and then step on another rock, but I can't even see those right now. They're in the water. So down here, just tending up to what we need to get all these animals safe for this hurricane and things from blowing all over the place. I got to get some rocks to hold these tarps down over the pump. I don't think I'll have to move any of this. I think that'll be okay, but I got to get all that over there cleaned up and start moving some of this stuff up down here. I know there's high chances of wind. These coops are not hurricane proof by any means. I'm gonna try to get this made. So we're gonna put those up as like little chicken turkey trees with legs and stuff and put it in here so they can get up off the ground. So they're up under the tarp more. So that'll go back here. I have these long boards that I'm just setting down on the footers. So you can see a little bit there, a little bit better here. You can see I'm just setting down on the footers. I have a few more over here that I'm going to pick up and put around it to hope it not blow if the wind does pick up a lot. Got the lambs in their pen. I'm going to put some boards around this pen so that way it doesn't get as much rain in there on them. They'll also, you can see there's 2 more of those things so we can get the chickens up more. We've got some pallets and stuff around the back, boards around that for them to get up on. So hopefully that'll be okay. This little rooster's got his own little cage here he can get up into. The ducks are completely covered right there. The rabbits are covered right there. I just gotta move some of this stuff so it doesn't blow away. I'm gonna try to put a lot of things that are loose in the trailer. That way it doesn't blow. I think that'll be a good idea. But yeah, we've got a lot of rain. I emptied this pool yesterday. It's only 11 in the morning. I emptied this pool last night and it's completely full again. I'm gonna have to empty it away from this rooster. That way it doesn't pool in there. So I've got some work to do. Hurricanes are not something that normally hit us. Like, we get some rain from it, but it's headed this way. I'm really hoping that it does not speed up, that it just keeps slowing down. Prayers are out to all of those that are being affected by Helene. I can only do so much down here. We were not prepared for a hurricane. I feel so bad for these animals. That's the best I can do. I don't have any wrap to go around the cages. Luckily the ducks are in a complete shelter, but I just had to like pile things on top, hoping that it won't like get super windy. If I notice the wind's picking up, I'll take some pallets that are over there on that pile and start packing it on everything. I went ahead and, let me show you. All of those things are like loaded down with trash and or water, so I don't think they'll blow away. I went ahead and did up the hose and brought it over here. I put a pallet on top of the tarps over here on the pump, so hopefully that'll hold it down. Like I said, if I notice the wind start to pick up, I'll come down here and do some more extra support. Just noticed that is draining a holding tank. Let's see. I guess I'm just gonna have to lay that down, and I'm gonna close these tanks off. This one's already closed. You can see this is the lowest part, so luckily all the animals are up higher. You can't really tell, but they're up off. So this is the lowest part. We've already got quite a bit of water down here, but you can see, hey, there's standing water and there's not. There's like a little bit, but it goes uphill. So hopefully the animals will be okay. I'll keep coming down here. I don't mind getting wet to come down here and tend to them. Hope that all of my babies are safe. So say a prayer for all of those that have animals that are dealing with this hurricane right now, that don't normally get hurricanes and are a little bit underprepared. I know it's better to be prepared than not be prepared, but unfortunately we were underprepared for this. So hopefully it will not be as bad as they're saying it's going to be, but it's the best I can do for now. You can see there's definitely a lot of standing water up here. You can see, like, when I drive through it. Quite a bit of standing water here. But, you know, I can only do so much. I just hope that everybody stays safe and warm, because we do have that cold front coming in. Prayers go out to everybody. You can see the water's pretty fast. Like, there's a tree stump right there, like a pre-cut stump. You can see the logs just moving. See another one's coming right there. There's a whole tree right there. There's the log that's going down. Wonder if the tree will get stuck. Nope, right there. A lot of stuff is definitely rolling down this creek. Definitely kind of looks like a river right now. Normally there are some rocks down here under these ones that we sit on and just put our feet in the water. Obviously you can't see those, but I guess I'm not too worried right now, because it's not even close to coming up over the bridge. Thankfully, if it does, then we're definitely going to be washed. Everything's going to be washed out, because that would be insane for the water to come up over this bridge, like you can see. But it's crazy. I do want to say, I made it back up to the house. We're lucky that Poppy went into town this morning before the rain decided to pick up a little bit and filled the propane tanks. So we do have that just in case we lose power. We have plenty of, I think, things to eat, drink, plenty of water, things like that. I'm just hoping that my husband, you know, makes it to work safely and whatnot. But we definitely, I think we'll be okay. Don't have to worry about food and things like that. We've got milk, got bread, got all the things. And luckily the freezer's full. So if I have to, I'll be cooking on the grill with the propane. Or a little burner that hooks up to the propane tanks. If we lose power for an extended period of time, which I don't know, we might, because we're, like I said, we're in the mountains. We lose power pretty easily with the transformers and things blowing. I'm more worried about the wind speeds picking up pretty bad. I'm hoping that that's not going to be an issue, but you never know. There are normally like rocks through here that you can climb down the bank onto, and there's not really a bank. Like, normally I climb down to this tree and there's these big rocks right there that I stand on, and they're not there. Okay, y'all, the wind is finally starting to pick up a little bit. Not too bad. I'm most worried about all these trees back here blowing and one snapping and falling on the house. I don't know. I guess we'll see how the rest of this goes. Y'all be safe out there. Day 2, I took a video yesterday and showed you guys this rock, and I told you there was rocks down here, but now you can't even see those rocks almost. It's gotten bad around here, y'all. I showed you in the previous slide, there was trees backed up right here, and I guess I can't see them under the water, obviously, but I'm wondering if they got moved or if they're still stuck. I'm assuming they got moved. Look how fast this water is going. Wanted to see how close it was up to the pump. It's still a good ways away. Let's see if I can get back down there with all this stuff in the way. Yeah, see, it's definitely coming up, and it's gonna come up some more. The creek has not crest. Like, you can even just see a bunch of stuff floating around in that channel right there. It's just getting backed up right there. It's not really getting pushed, but it's definitely rolling. The tin, you can see, came up there, so I'm gonna have to fix that. You can see it's bending there. It's starting to flap a little bit right here, but this piece came off. I don't know if you can see it. Walk around here. There. It came up, so I'm gonna have to fix that because it's not over yet. It's downpouring out this window, but it's not doing anything out this window. I don't know if you can see it, but right here is a wire. I think that could be why we have no power. You see the wire? Yeah. So the trees fell. A lot of trees fell, and the power lines are completely down. You can see right here, they're down all the way from that pole right there. The major power lines right here are touching the ground, and they're also down there on my chicken coop. So I've got to figure out what to do because I have zero cell phone service. I can't, the turkeys are out. It looks like there's a hole in their pen. The turkeys are all out right there. I don't see the white turkey. I hope she's okay. I don't see her. Oh, there she is. I see her. She's in front of the coop. Oh, I'm not even video. She's right there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have all the turkeys, but we have to figure out what to do about these power lines. The turkey's door just swung open. I don't know why I didn't think to put a lock of some sort on there. That's how they got out. They're all chilling under the trailer. But the power lines are here. I cannot touch any of this, and I feel so bad. Because I really love to let these birds out, but I can't touch anything. I don't know if these lines are hot or not. I'm scared to touch the metal even just to open the door. And you can see it's bad right there.